In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enhance photo quality in Photoshop using simple, beginner-friendly tools that make a huge difference. Whether your photo looks dull, dark, slightly blurry, or just not as sharp as you'd like, this step-by-step method will help you improve it quickly while keeping everything looking natural and professional. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you the correct export settings for the best final quality. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open Adobe Photoshop. Go to File, then click Open, and select the photo you want to enhance. Once your image is open, the first thing we want to do is protect the original layer. In the Layers panel, right-click on your image layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This is very important because it allows you to apply filters non-destructively, meaning you can always come back and adjust your settings later without damaging the original image. Now go to the top menu, click Filter, and choose Camera Raw Filter. This is where most of the magic happens. Inside Camera Raw, start with the Basic panel. If your image looks too dark, slightly increase the exposure. Don't push it too far. Small adjustments work best. Next, lower the Highlight slider to recover detail in bright areas like skies or light reflections. Then increase the Shadow slider to bring out details in darker areas of the image. Now let's improve detail and depth. Increase texture slightly to enhance fine details. Add a bit of clarity to improve mid-tone contrast and give the image more definition. Be subtle here. Too much clarity can make the photo look harsh. Next, increase vibrance slightly to enhance colors naturally without oversaturating skin tones. Avoid pushing saturation too high, as that can make colors look unrealistic. If the image still needs improvement, you can scroll down to the Detail panel. Here you can lightly increase sharpening, but don't overdo it, since we'll apply Smart Sharpen in a moment. Once you're happy with the overall look, click OK to apply the Camera Raw adjustments. Now let's sharpen the image properly. Go to Filter, then Sharpen, and choose Smart Sharpen. In the dialog box, set the amount between 80 and 120% depending on how soft your image is. Set the radius between 1 and 2 pixels. If you're working with a high-resolution image, you can go slightly higher, but usually keeping it low gives the most natural result. Make sure the preview is checked so you can see the changes in real time. Once it looks sharp but not crunchy or overprocessed, click OK. If your image looks slightly grainy, especially if it was taken in low light, go to Filter, then Noise, and choose Reduce Noise. Keep the strength relatively low. Increase it slowly until the grain softens, but stop before the image starts to lose detail and look blurry. Because we converted the layer to a smart object earlier, you can always double-click the filter later to fine-tune it. Finally, let's export your enhanced photo correctly. Go to File, click Export, and choose Export As. Select JPEG as the format and set the quality between 90 and 100 for the best balance between quality and file size. Make sure the resolution and dimensions are correct for where you plan to upload the image, then click Export. And that's it. That's how to enhance photo quality in Photoshop using simple, powerful tools that anyone can apply. With just Camera Raw adjustments, Smart Sharpen, and light noise reduction, you can dramatically improve almost any image in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.